It's a trans dog. I said it. You heard it right. It's a trans dog, guys. It's a human being. It's acting like a dog. Now, this must be some kind of competition. The crazy part is not just the human being acting like a dog. It's not just the teacher thinking that he's taught this dog, human, a lesson like the dog, like the human. Good grief. As if the human doesn't know what the man wants him to do. Like, full blown conscience. It's not a real dog. If a dog was actually doing that and people clapped, it's understandable. But this is a human being, okay? He can communicate with you. Them clapping was absolutely wild.